Computers are incredible tools, but have you ever stopped to think about the physical components that make it all work? This course is your key to unlocking that knowledge. Welcome to Computer Familiarization 101. This guide is for anyone who wants to understand the basic building blocks of a computer system. We'll explore the essential hardware components and their functions. So let's start. But first, let's categorize them into three main parts. Let's explore them in detail. First up, we have processing unit and storage devices. These are the internal parts that make the computer work. They process information and store data. Examples include central processing unit, often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU performs calculations and instructions. Random access memory, temporary storage that holds data currently being used by the CPU. Storage devices. These include hard disk drive or solid-state drive, which store data permanently on your computer. Other internal components like the motherboard, graphics card, and power supply unit are also crucial as they work together to make the computer function. Moving on to the next category, input devices. These are how you interact with your computer and provide information. Examples include keyboard, a set of keys used for typing and entering instructions. Mouse, a pointing device used to navigate the screen and select items. Microphone, an input device that captures sound. Scanner, an input device that captures images or documents. Lastly, we have output devices. These display the information processed by the computer. Examples include monitor, the primary display screen that shows information. Printer, for creating physical copies of digital documents. Speakers, output devices that produce sound. As you get more comfortable with computers, you can explore different types of hardware, like different form factors of computers, various types of storage devices, and specialized input devices. By understanding these basic hardware components, you'll be well on your way to navigating the exciting world of computers. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to explore your computer and get familiar with its components. There are also many online resources and tutorials available to help you on your journey. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. Peace out.